Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How are you doing today? And I absolutely wish you the best trading you could possibly have today. What is it? Today is April 7th, 2022. I do want to remind you, if you're a first-time watcher of our YouTube channel here, thank you very much for being here. Remember to subscribe and click that bell, and you'll be notified when there's a new video put out. This morning we'll be looking at charts and the overall market. I also want to remind you that if you're interested in a trial, check below in the chat down there. We also have a rounded bottom breakout class coming up, and information will be below on that. So hey, if you have questions, post it in the comments. Down below this video, there's a little comments section. You can open it up and, post some comments. Ask questions. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know. Share the video with your friends. I sure would appreciate that. All right. Here in just about 5 seconds, I'm going to start looking at some charts. We'll start talking about them and the market, okay? Alrighty, let's take a look at some charts. Again, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thank you very much for watching our video. I'm not going to get through them all, but if you'd like to see the whole list, please go to our blog page. Check out the Hit and Run Candlestick blog. You can read a little bit about today's market and what might be going on, a little bit about yesterday's market. Scroll down and you can pick up all of today's trade ideas. So let's get started. I've got the SPY up. I follow the SPY an awful lot, and I've been very, very adamant about being bullish when my Trendicator was green. My Trendicator has now turned red, so I'm going to have to change that attitude just a little bit. Just a little bit, right? So as long as my Trendicator stays red, those two red dots, then I'm not going to be gung-ho bullish. I suppose there might be some long trade I take, if it's in a sector that's rocking, something like that. But overall, no bullishness. Mainly manage the positions I'm in. I'm not super bearish right now either. And that is because there's the 50-period moving average, and price is still above the 50-period moving average. So now, well, if price gets below the 50-period moving average, then yes, I will be 100% and extremely bearish, and we'll look at some bearish trades, bearish stock trades for some folks, and then bearish puts. So we'll be looking at. All right, let's take a look at a few charts. Again, I'm not going to make it through all of them, just do 3 or 4 maybe. And then if you want to pick up the rest, take a look at the blog on the Hit and Run Candlestick homepage, okay? Here's FIGS, yeah, FIGS. This is a rounded bottom breakout right here. Rounded bottom breakout includes the 50-period moving average and the 200-period moving average. We have a nice trend up. We've consolidated a little bit. You can see right there, there's about a little over 40%, 40% up to the 200-period moving average. And that's kind of what we're looking for a trade with, taking profits or maybe closing it along the way. Nice chart right here. This is the type of chart pattern right here, the rounded bottom breakout that we're going to be covering in a workshop on Saturday, April 23rd this year at 10 a.m. Eastern. If you check below in the comments area, you'll see a link if you're interested, and you can certainly read a little bit more about it, okay? HBIO is another one of those. This is a rounded bottom breakout. You can see that here. We've rallied up. We've pulled back. We have a bullish piercing candle right now. Let me put a line in there. There's a bullish piercing candle. So what I'm going to be looking for is an inside day or maybe a slight breakout for an entry. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow, might be next week. This is why I keep a watch list. I keep a running watch list. I've started something different, going to try it out. A separate watch list for each day of the week. Anyway, just going to try that out. But I have a main watch list where all the trades that I want on the watch list, I put them there, okay? PayPal. PayPal is kind of interesting. This is not a rounded bottom breakout. However, it could be if we got back up in the 119, 118 area. So if it does that, then I will be looking at one of those rounded bottom breakout strategies. I'll be looking for some of the indicators to work, and some of the things we use to help with success is we want moving average crossover. We want maybe above the cloud. We'll bring the cloud in the situation anyway. Maybe MACD in the right place. These are the things that we're going to be talking about in the class. And these rounded bottom breakouts can be found in multiple time frames, such as the weekly, the daily, hourly, 15-minute, things like that. So, all right. So PayPal, if it comes back up, I'll look for that rounded bottom breakout. But it's right now, it's below the 50-period moving average. It's below the Trendicator. The Trendicator is these green dots and these red dots. See these red dots? See that little green dot? That's what Trendicator is. When we're below, when price is below the Trendicator, and in this case, we're also below the T line, and we're below the 50-period moving average. Actually, what I'm going to be looking for is a possible short as well. So it's all about price now. It's up to price. I'm going to follow price action at this point because this is it's close to a long trade. At the moment, it's looking a bit more like a short trade. It could flip. We're right on that edge where it could flip either way. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. Anyway, I get that signal for a short trade. I'm certainly going to take that. And if we get back up here, then I'll take the long trade for the rounded bottom breakout. SQ, square, block. This is another one. Now this is a rounded bottom breakout. It is. It's moving down. Price is below the Trendicator. Price is below the T line. We've got the 50-period moving average right here. I'm not interested in shorting this until we actually get below that 50-period moving average. So right now, truthfully, what I'm looking for is the let price wander where it wants to wander. And if we get a bullish signal somewhere in here, could be 2-3 days. Could be today, could be tomorrow, could be Monday, could be Tuesday. When I see the bullish price action, then I just might take appropriate action and trade this long based on the rounded bottom breakout setup. If it falls through, then I will take appropriate action and I will look at this as a short. Alrighty, let's do one more. Let's do McDonald's. McDonald's is no, it is not a rounded bottom breakout. Sorry, had that on my mind. Rounded bottom, did it again. McDonald's is trending up quite nice. Here we've rallied up, we've consolidated, we've rallied up, and we've consolidated again. What we've done in this consolidation is pulled back a little bit, and now we're moving up. And this chart pattern here is a J-hook, a bullish J-hook continuation pattern. So I'm going to be looking at this for a trade, and the trade can occur anywhere in here or on a breakout. I'll just have to monitor what price action is doing. Might not even be today, but if it was to do this today, I would probably take a very serious look at McDonald's right in here. If it does something like this, I'm more likely to just sit and be patient, being how today's Thursday and all. Friday's a good day not to be trading too much and to be moving closer to cash, if not all cash. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching this video. I absolutely appreciate it. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Put a comment in there if you like the video. If you would like to share the video with one of your trading buddies, please do so. We'd really appreciate it. All right, you guys take care, and we'll see you all a bit later.